welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and that's me. And we are back to actually cleaning the house. And today we worked on the living room. So I'm going to take you in there and show you some of the things that we've done, or I've done. First of all, I have a very unhappy puppy. She has been in here ever since I started this morning. She was outside for a while, then it got too hot, so I had to bring her here. This is the first time she's been in her crate for almost a year, and she's not happy with it. But I had to do it because I took the vacuumed the floor, and then I took the sweeper, well, not the sweeper, but the shampooer, and I shampooed the floor. And she has to stay off of it until it dries completely. So it's almost dry, so I'll soon be letting her back in. The next thing I did was clean the baseboards all around, clean the ceiling fan, and then when the floor dried, I went and vacuumed again. I took the upholstery attachment on the shampooer and I cleaned all of the upholstery, so it's ready. Sorry about this camera going in and out, but my other camera was not charged, so I'm using the old camera. After that, I went and I cleaned all the knickknacks, washed them, fixed all the kerosene lamps and put new topped them off. I do have a wick missing on one, so I'm going to have to pick up a wick. Clean the guitars and clean this area. Hopefully Sunday my cuckoo clock will be back in its position. It is actually being fixed. I gave up on trying to fix it myself after 5 years. I decided it was time to let someone else who knew what they were doing fix it. Now, the dog beds are upstairs being washed, and I'll bring them down as soon as they're clean. And along with the afghans that go on the chair to protect the chairs, they'll be back on. So I've cleaned out a lot of the stuff that I didn't need, got rid of it. We're just waiting for the floor to dry and the afghans to all get washed off. I'm going to put the brown cover back on this one, on this sofa, to protect it. The quilt will go back on that chair to protect it, and these two chairs will have white afghans on them, and then of course the pillows. So overall, I think we did good today. We washed the windows. I did not wash the curtains because they didn't need it, but I did vacuum the blinds. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to share it with your friends. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you. Bye.